In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update install error code 0x80070020 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then you have to simply click on the option that is System. Then you have to simply scroll down and look for the option that states Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you'll find Windows Update with a Run button corresponding to it. To run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. So follow the instructions, and after you have run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, do not forget to restart by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, go to the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click the option Run as Administrator. Here, simply type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. If not yet completed, just simply minimize this and you can do your other tasks on your Windows and wait for this to be 100% completed. After this is completed, close the window, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.